the lab works with Drosophila, and we are studying transposable elements. And so right now, the project that I'm personally working on has to do with codon bias. And then when the grad student leaves, which is just around the corner, I'll be taking up his project, which has to do with methylation. We work with transposable elements, which are genes that basically jump around, which are bad, and we have them, so we're studying them in our model organism. So we study the transposable elements in the pyRNA machinery that helps defend the genome against them. So what you'd expect to find is that with increasing transposable element content in various species, you'd think that the pyRNA machinery would be evolving faster, but we're actually seeing the opposite. So we think that instead of natural selection, they're favoring higher rates of expression of these pyRNA genes. And so we're looking at codon bias, which has been known to correlate with high levels of expression. So we looked at codon adaptation index, which is just a measure of codon bias. And what we found is that with increasing TE abundance, there is more codon bias in these genes. That's kind of what I'm working on. And then we're trying to repeat the same results with a different set of data. Well, in flies, if you take a male that has the transposable elements and a female that don't, and if you match them together, then the progeny have hybrid dysgenesis, where their testes are all shriveled up, and so we're trying to figure out like what exactly causes that. Obviously, we don't have a bunch of humans walking around with like shriveled up testes or anything, but it has been found that 40% of our genome has these transposable elements, and so we're trying to study them in a smaller model organism to better understand it. I think it's a really good opportunity. I mean, it will look good on my application for grad school. Like, I already have research experience. And it's just a fun experience to have. I mean, I think research is something really good to be able to do. If you have the opportunity, I say take it.